Welcome to yet another unboxing video on the Watch Kaki channel, and today we've got this package that just came in from Vario. My good friend Ivan at Vario, he has sent in one of these watches for review, and instead of an unboxing we are more likely to do an unpacking, alright, because I don't think this one here comes in a proper watch presentation box. Let me just cut open. We've got this huge air pillow here. This one here came via, then we've got Singapore Post, the watch pouch, smart pack, right, as expected, to save cost, I think. So you don't really need to send the full retail packaging for a review set. So Ivan has also sent in a spare strap, all right, and being the generous guy he always is, he's also included the return package, all right. So this is fantastic. Thank you very much, Ivan and Vario. So back to the pouch here, and I believe this pouch here is available from Vario as an accessory. So this one here is really useful. It's got a hard shell type of watch case here, and let me just unzip it to reveal the review watch for today. Oops, we've got more protective layer here, so let me just gently unwrap this thing here, and here we go. Ta-da! Alright, so this is the Trench model, and I believe this model has been launched since last year, and I have in my hand today one of the brass versions. Alright, so as the name implies, this case here, the watch case, is not made of steel, it is made of brass. Okay, so brass, I don't think is a precious metal. Actually, it's a type of metal that your old tabs, that's what they're made of. Alright, so not bronze, but this is brass. So with the lens zoomed in just a bit, we get a closer look on this one here, the Vario Trench. I believe this model is the 38mm case size, so it comes on a really nice bund or bund leather strap here, so gives off a very vintage military feel to it. And obviously the Trench line, the entire model line, they are based upon WW1, World War I soldiers and medics and all that, so hence the name Trench. And upon the unboxing or unpacking, I really get this vintage vibes, and I think that's a really good thing with any model line here. So they've also got many different color variations, and I think this one is the grey dial version with white markers. And again, these fonts here, I don't know if they're Art Deco or even earlier period than that. So the previous watch I reviewed from Vario, the Empire, that one was based on Art Deco design, but this one I think is comes from an even earlier era, and it doesn't have a display case back. Okay, so let me just quickly pop in a quick wrist shot. So alright, so this one here, very small watch, I think it's around 38 or 39mm case size. So with the really short lugs hidden by the bund strap or bund strap, I think this one here really gives off that old school look, alright, old school military type of feel. So I think this one will excite buyers who want to get that type of look here. Again, I'm not a big fan of this light colored inner lining. Okay, so less than a minute on my wrist, you can see the inner lining start to get stained and all that. So we're going to spend more time on this watch before I do the detailed review. So on hand, this does look like a very neat, very nice small little watch, and the case here is done more or less like a pastel shape. All right, so let's just do a quick check on the hand setting and hand alignment. Right, not too sure what caliber is this movement. Okay, it does have a screw-in crown, a screw-down crown, so one pop. There's no date complication here, so one pop and it goes into hand setting mode. 12 o'clock looks good. 1 o'clock. Let's just quickly go on to 6 o'clock. Alright, so everything feels really good. Handset, hand alignment is good. I'm actually surprised that this one here comes with a screw down crown. Pleasantly surprised, that is. Okay, so normally Vario would go for Miyota movements or NH35. I was thinking this one came on Miyota, and pretty surprised that it does have hand winding function. So I need to find out which caliber this one is. You know, it looks like something very unique. Right? If you're looking for this look here, take a look. They've already, you know, got some patina on the buckle here, the brass buckle. So that's the whole idea of this brass case here. Alright, the watch is going to age really nicely and sort of have that individual look to it. Alright, so they call it patina, and the case back would be steel because they can't use brass for the case back, otherwise you will stain up your wrist very badly. Overall, I think this one here, you know, does have that character to it. Right, if you're looking for this kind of look here. Right, so the bund strap here is also unique to this model. So with the protective film removed, I think you get a better look at the dial here. So really interesting fonts going on at the hour markers. Stay tuned for the full review. This is the Watch Kaki from Singapore. Bye bye.